In this video, we are going to unbox and cook with the new TempSpike wireless thermometer from ThermoPro. Here we have the wireless probe and booster. The booster stores and charges the probe and also sends your cooking data to your compatible smartphone. Next we have our warranty card, a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and some basic instructions. You'll find QR codes for you to download the TempSpike app to either your iOS or Android device. Once you have installed the app and completed the guided setup process, you'll want to charge your TempSpike before your first cook. When ready, fire up the app and allow your booster and probe to sync. Then, choose a cooking profile for your session. Once you have selected the meat, you'll see precautions on how deep to insert the probe and to also make sure your booster is at a safe distance from your heat source. Again, make sure that the probe is inserted past the notches seen here for best accuracy and to prevent damage to the probe. Also, the other end of the TempSpike tracks ambient temperature too. Now we can begin our cook and track everything from our app up to 500 feet away. Remember to keep your booster near the probe, but safely away from any heat sources. When your cook is done, let the TempSpike cool and please handle it carefully. You can wipe the probe off with a clean and dry rag. If you need to rinse the probe, make sure the probe is first completely cool to prevent damage to the probe's internals. And that's it. All that's left now is to enjoy some perfectly cooked food. Enjoy your new TempSpike.